till the hidden corners. Kalami, Cebu's got 'em all, yeah. We discover local flavors and foodies unite. Feast on the goodness from morning till night. Ooh yeah, Kalami, Cebu, oh so divine. A food book that'll make your taste not shine. From hole in the wall to the maple lights, come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Oh, taste the flavors, savor the love. Kalami, Cebu, take your love.
So guys, ang Wu Yang is located at SM Seaside City, Cebu. Pero nindot yun kayo tanawon siya ba? Nindot ang iyang, ang mga decorations. But also, you can see the kitchen. While they prepare your food, nanawa pa rin kaning Peking duck. But they have a lot of dim sum favorites. Kaning mga different kinds of dim sum. Mao gini atong giarisad, pero they have fried rice as well and other Chinese dishes. It's Cantonese cuisine at its best. So kita Cebuanos, we are quite familiar with mga dim sum and mga Chinese food, but makaingon gyud bay lami gyud kini ng siomai sa Deribay. One of the best. This is owned by Choobi Choobi group, and kay baw naka kung Choobi Choobi, kuan na sila, daghan na sila shrimp manang lami kay ng siomai bay kay presko kay shrimp. Kuan kay ba white tihik-tihik o bisag kuan ba. Ani bisag siomai lang kay fried rice lami na kay mabusog na kadire. Pero of course, there's so many dishes here. Mao na. Mga pinas spare ribs, di ba? Ug uban pa, di ba? Nasa sila yung mga kanaman, yung mga noodles, yung wonton. Grabe ba? Yun you go, enjoy you go dito. Because kung hilig kag Chinese food, this is the place to be by. Makaingon yung kag Kalami. Di ba? Kani mga taro, lami sa ning taro puff. Lami ka ng bagong lutong, bagong himong dim sum basos. Grabe. Crunchy outside, yan din mo na. And very good. Nasa yung mga utan, of course. And drinks, nasa yung mga special drinks like shakes. But also kaning desserts nila, kanilang mga mochi, lami kay mochi na with mango. So marag always order dessert dere by. And in a bit atong ipa-invite ta sa owner dere. So mga onya ta sa Wu Yang.
I would like to invite everybody, please come to Wu Yang and try our food. We try our best to make it as authentic Hong Kong Cantonese cuisine as possible, and without you spending a lot of money. So, Arita, welcome kamo sa Wu Yang.